Currently letting her cool down. You know, carving out a new course takes some low gear effort. There's a lot more strain on the engine than when you're going fast and you have a lot more airflow to the, you know, certain components. I'm overheating quicker, you know, because I'm in high revs trying to spin my tires more to carve out the path more. But I'm gonna do a course preview through here. It's not gonna be full speed. For one, I need to weld my shifter. If it's bouncing around, sometimes third gear will be in a different spot, so it's really dangerous for my transmission, so I'm not going super hard on it. Fucking hood slammed to my arm real hard because the wind. This is my new Sparco Sprint seat. I'm really liking it a lot. It's not only easier to get in and out of the vehicle, it's also FIA certified. And on top of that, the sides here are lower, so my elbows don't hit the seat anymore when I'm driving aggressively. So it's actually really nice overall. It is a bit heavier than my last seat, my Energy, what is it, FRP, whatever. But it's more comfortable, and I don't know, I think it looks better. It looks a little bit more legit, but okay. I gotta adjust the idle so it doesn't die on me. E85 is a bit finicky. So I think I'm gonna do a start here now. Before it was on that hill, but now it's kind of running up from what I'm doing here, so here we go. Gonna come around this bend here. Back into the road. Straight away. Do this like right 3 or something. Over this small crest. Do this right 2. The left 1, and the right 3, and the right 3, the left 2, the right 2, the left 2, right 2, the left 2, the right 3. Like I said, I'm just gonna kind of cruise it. Just long straightaway. Do a square right. first preview. I know I messed up a bunch of times. I gotta fix my shifter here. It's really interfering with my confidence, my shifting. But I'm just gonna upload this raw. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. Have a good day. Thank you all for watching. And I hope to see you, in a future video.